could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, your makeup's on my shoulder. And tell me if I lie down, would you stay now? Let me hold ya. Oh. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth?